In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple credit roll in Adobe Premiere in less than 3 minutes. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. As always, stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. All right, so in the last few years, Adobe has moved things around a bit and added some great new features in Premiere. And for those of you trying to figure out how to do a credit roll in the current version of Premiere, I've got you covered. So let's do it. I'm working in Premiere version 22.5.0, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. All right, first on your timeline, put your playhead at the end of your sequence in the empty space. Hit T on your keyboard to bring up the text tool, and click in the middle of your program tab to create a new text layer. Now in your timeline, you'll see your new pink text clip. Next, with your cursor on your Program tab, type in all of your credits. They may go off the end of the canvas at this point, and that's fine. If you want to see where your cursor is, you can always adjust your Program tab magnification to a lower percentage in the lower left drop-down menu. Next, open your Essential Graphics tab by going to Window and making sure there's a check mark by Essential Graphics. Then, click on the Edit tab within Essential Graphics. Click on your text to select it. First, we're going to center your text by clicking both the horizontal and vertical center buttons under the Align and Transform section. Next, hit V on your keyboard to bring up the Move tool, and click outside of your text in the Program panel to deselect it. Now in the Essential Graphics tab, you'll see a Roll option here. And now all you have to do is check the box by roll. Adjust the length of your credits by stretching the clip longer or shorter in your timeline. And that's it. Now you've got a theatrical credit roll at the end of your piece. It's ready for the big screen. All right, let's do that tip. One of the worst things that can happen to you when it comes to a credit roll is spelling something wrong. When you misspell something, it means taking the video down, re-editing, remastering, re-exporting, and re-uploading the whole thing, all because of a single letter. So to avoid this, I like to first type all of my credits in a word processing program like Mac Pages or Google Docs, because there I can easily see the misspellings before it's too late. I type and edit everything in Mac Pages, then copy and paste the whole thing in my Program tab / text clip in Premiere to create my credit roll. So type your credits in Mac Pages or Google Docs, then copy and paste them into Premiere, and save yourself a headache down the road when you realize that you spelled the caterer's name wrong. Alright, as always, if you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.